Hello everyone, we are going to solve the puzzle if 1 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 16, then 4 plus 4 is what? So let's start. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have different logic, please comment down below. So 1 plus 1, we have to prove it equals to 4. How? So if I'll add 1 to both the digits, then do the multiplication, then it is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 times 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 4. Similarly here, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, and then do the multiplication. So it's 3 times 3, which is equals to 9. Similarly, 3 plus 1 times 3 plus 1, that is 4 times 4, which is equals to 16. So 4 plus 4 is 4 plus 1 times 4 plus 1, that is 5 times 5, which is equals to 25. So what replaces the question mark? 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.